How to fix Spotify offline mode not working. So in order to make sure that it's working, is you need to make sure that you have a currently active Spotify subscription. This is because although it actually requires an account or a subscription for that, you need to have a definite one in order to make sure that it happens. So for this one, what we can do is we can head over right here to our profile icon. Go right here to your settings and privacy. And then from there, click on account. And in here, you can see your plan. So as you see, I'm in premium. So if you try to turn off your internet and the offline mode is still not activating, what you can do is you can restart the whole app itself. So let's restart it and open it again and make sure that it actually access it again. So that's how you fix Spotify offline mode not working. Hope we helped.